Welcome to a short journey to Intellisense IoT solutions. At Intellisense, we specialize in developing innovative IoT solutions. Our team of skilled engineers and developers are dedicated to creating cutting-edge IoT applications and devices. Our IoT solution was developed for industry, such as energy management, remote monitoring, smart factory, smart city, and smart grid projects. The most important features of our IoT server: that easy to integrate your data into the cloud and on-premise applications. Our platform is designed to provide seamless integration and communication across diverse devices, meters, PLCs, and industrial PCs, regardless of hardware specifications or protocols. At Intellisense, we are committed to driving innovation and fostering collaboration through our open-source IoT solutions. Our dedication to open-source technology benefits businesses by providing transparency, flexibility, and community-driven development. Our mission is simple: to empower individuals and businesses with intuitive, user-friendly software solution that enhances productivity and delights users at every interaction. For more information, visit our website and contact us.